Hello, my name is Gabrielle Clark, and this is my culture presentation on the Tokyo SkyTree. A little bit about the SkyTree. It is a restaurant, a broadcasting tower, and an observational tower. It is the tallest structure in Japan and the second tallest structure in the world. The tower is about 634 meters high, and even though that height seems random, it was actually very intentional because the figures 6, 3, and 4, Musashi, is the name of the old region of where the Tokyo SkyTree Tower stands today. It is located in Sumida, Tokyo, Japan. A little bit about the lighting in the tower. Every day is a different lighting design, usually reflecting Iki or Miyabi. Iki represents the spirit, and they use blue as a representation of that. And for Miyabi, it represents aesthetics and beauty, and the color they use for that is purple. Although from 5:45 p.m. to 12 a.m., the Nubori streamer is illuminated on the tower and is a reddish shade of orange, usually used as a sign of good luck. It's been used ever since ancient times. What most people come to see is the view. So there are two observational decks that you can go to. There's the Tembo Galleria and the Tembo Deck. The Tembo Galleria is the highest observation deck you can reach, and it kind of goes in a circular shape. And the Sorakawa point is the highest place on deck at floor 450. It's right around there where the star is on the map. And it is about 451.2 meters high. They also use the glass and the light as a way of giving you the illusion that you're kind of floating there, which is pretty cool. You can also go to the Tembo Deck, which has the SkyTree Round Theater at night, which projects dynamic images or shows performances on giant screens covering the 110 meter length by 2 meter height glass windows. There is also a glass floor so you can see right beneath you. There is also a space-time navigation system equipped with 4 different displays of the SkyTree, shown a little bit over here on the top left. And it shows different times of the day of the view from the SkyTree. There's also a painted folded screen by Edo Hitomezu Byobu from the Edo period, which at the time there was no technology like planes or anything like that, but he was able to capture a bird's eye view of Tokyo, which is almost identical to the view you will see if you ever go to the tower. So it's definitely a really cool artifact that they set up right there. And usually after a long day of sightseeing and all that, you usually want to go to a restaurant or eat at a cafe. If you can afford it, there's the 634 Musashi Sky restaurant. It is very expensive, but it has the most breathtaking view in all of Tokyo, and the menu usually changes regularly. You can choose one of 2 meal options, either the Iki meal or the Miyabi meal. The Iki meal dish is the one that most people get, and it's still pretty expensive. Its prices start at around $50, and the Miyabi is a little bit more expensive. But people say if you can afford it, you should definitely go there. But if you're not rich by any means, you can go to the SkyTree cafes, which they have 2, one on the 340th floor, one on the 350th floor. They usually serve drinks, light snacks, and originally made sweets. And I know a lot of people, when they go to the tower, they want to go shopping. So you go to the Tokyo Solamachi district, which is right at the base of the tower. There are about over 300 commercial stores and popular shopping districts for tourists. There's also food court, McDonald's, KFC, whatever you want. There's pretty much everything is there. There's also the SkyTree shop, which you can get souvenirs, books, or original merchandise that can only be bought at SkyTree. The shop is about 3 floors, so I'm sure you'll be able to find something interesting in the SkyTree shop. Some popular items on the side there is the Tokyo SkyTree model, which comes in 4 different colors. There is the Sora-Kara-chan 365-day birthday strap, which I believe is the mascot for SkyTree. And if you can see it there, the big cullen, which is a container of a Japanese snack. If you didn't think that this place couldn't get any cooler, there is an aquarium in the tower. There are about 9 different aquatic zones, from natural aquascape to coral reefs, Tokyo island fish to penguins, frill seals, it goes on. You can also learn at the Aqua Academy, where you can learn about different sea creatures from a various points of views. You can also learn what goes on behind the scenes in the aquarium, such as this one. There is also a planetarium, a huge planetarium you could go to. They also have these really comfortable little chairs that you can relax and lay down on. It's pretty cool, and I believe they also added a new virtual reality experience to that. And last but not least, there is the broadcasting tower. The SkyTree Tower is the world's tallest freestanding broadcasting tower. There's about 9 different TV channels, mostly in the Kanto region, but there is one that's aired in Tokyo. And they also air 5 different radio stations in Tokyo and to the South Kanto region. Alright, that is my presentation on the Tokyo SkyTree. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you ever get the chance to go to Tokyo, I definitely suggest that you stop there because it's a pretty cool place. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.